very good morning, class. Myself Pallavi Anand, and I welcome you all in the session of GK Standard 8. The chapter for the today's discussion is the Stephen William Hawkins, a great scientist. In this session, we will know about the William Hawkins, about his life history and everything. William Hawkins, the great scientist, he was the great scientist of his era. He was born on the 18th January 1942 in Oxford, United Kingdom. He died on the 14th March 2018 in Cambridge, UK. His spouse name was Jenny Hawkins, and the relationship was from 1965 to 1995. After 1995, he married to a second woman, that is Elaine Manson. 1995 to 2006, his second marriage worked from 1995 to 2006. And the Stephen William Hawkins was a great cosmologist. He was a great English physicist. He was a writer of a children's book. He has written a he was a writer of a book that is the George's Secret Keys to Universe. And with the help of his daughter, Lucy Hawkins, he wrote a book which is totally depend on the cosmos and how people used to travel in the other space. And that book totally belonged to the children. The language was very easy for the children to read and to understand, and so their interest regarding the cosmos. So his another book is the George Cosmos Treasure Heart. So I'll request you all to go through the book, that is George Cosmos Treasure Heart and the George Secret Key to Universe. Please go through the book. He was a director of research at Cambridge University. He was a great author, and so many films was also there where he has shown his appearance. So many films are there where made on the theme of the Hawkins. So Hawkins was a great cosmologist. He was a great English theoretical physicist. He was a writer of a great children's book, that is George's Secret Cosmic Treasure Hunt and the George Secret Secret to the Universe. He was a director of a research at Cambridge University before his death. After there, he was a director. He has shown a great interest for teaching the children about the cosmologists. He saw all his interest for the cosmologists. Come on, now we will discuss about his life process. So, at the age of 21, he got a paralyzed attack. That is, he was suffering from a motor neuron disease. Stephen Hawkins was suffering from a motor neuron disease at the age of 21. In 1963, at the age of 21, he was suffering from a motor neuron disease in which his body got paralyzed. Now his body is not at all working. He was just shifted to a wheelchair. His life was totally dependent on a wheelchair. All the body parts, all the body organs stopped. Inside the body it was working. His mind was very developed, but his body organ is outside, hand, leg, his back, these are not working properly. So he was not a bright student at his early age. At the age of 7 or 8, he was not a very bright student. He was just a below average student. Stephen William Hawkins was a very average student at the age of 7 or 8 at his school time. But he was highly interested. He was highly interested in the other activities, as he was opening the clock, he was opening the radio, he was opening the television, and he was seeing that what is happening, how the things work inside. So all his interest was on the scientific things. That he created a great scientist for the periodic era. Okay, then the spouse is Jenny Hawkins, as I already said. His spouse is a Jenny Hawkins, and his relationship was from 1965 to 1995 with his first wife. His relationship was for the 1965 to 1995. Then he married to a second girl, that is Ilian Manson, and the relationship of his second wife was for 1995 to 2006. Okay, he has a daughter, and he named her daughter in Lucy Hawkins. She was also helping his father for writing the books. The Lucy Hawkins helped his father to write a book for the children, where he just write all thing about the Casmo, all thing about the planet, all thing about the satellite, all thing about the space, outer space, everything. With the help of his daughter Lucy Hawkins, he wrote the book for the children. He has a wheelchair. You can see the picture here. Stephen Hawking was sitting on a wheelchair. You can see some of the pictures of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking have no body part is working. Only he has a wheelchair, where his whole of the rest of the life after the age of 21, rest of the life was dependent on a wheelchair, and the whole body part is not working except the cheekbone. Only the body part is working except the cheekbone. None of the body part is working properly. So his